Hello, and thanks for joining this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to easily turn on or off the haptic feedback feature in the chess.com app on your phone. Haptic feedback provides vibration when you make moves on the chessboard, enhancing your playing experience. Let's go through the steps carefully to enable or disable this feature according to your preference. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the app's options. Inside Settings, tap on Board to open board-related settings. You will see the option for haptic feedback. Here, you can toggle it on or off by simply tapping the switch. That's it. You have successfully adjusted the haptic feedback settings on your chess.com app. Now, your game will either give you vibration feedback or remain silent during moves, depending on your choice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you improve your gaming experience on chess.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tutorials.